Hello students, today shall we discuss about the Mendelian disorder. One of the Mendelian disorder, that is hemophilia, which also called royal disease. So this disease will be asked in the examination for 3 marks. It is very rare asked for 5 marks. Okay, this question on this topic will be for 3 marks. So this point what I am showing to you here, this point only you have to write in the examination, right? So let us understand these points in now. The first, what it said, what do you mean this disease is? It is a sex linked recessive inheritance, which also called sex linked inheritance. This disease is transferred through the X chromosome, not Y, and X chromosome is one of the sex chromosome. Hence, it is called sex linked inheritance. Means, suppose a person having this disease is transferred to his progeny offspring through his sexual contact. So it is an inherited disease, that too by sex chromosomes. Hence, it is called sex linked inheritance. Now, what happened in this disease means a protein involved in the blood clotting is affected. A simple cut result in non-stop bleeding. So here we can say it is like this. Suppose our hand or finger will cut or by injury, after some time the blood is going to be stopped. Blood is bleeding. Blood is what you called bleeding, but after some time it is going to be stopped. But the hemophilic person blood, the cutted part or injured part, blood does not stop. Continuously it is bleeding up to the death. Right? So how it is be controlled, how this disease is spread, how this disease is inherited, what genes are involved. So this disease is controlled by pair of allele, capital H and small h. Here capital H is the normal allele, where small is responsible for hemophilic. So it is a recessive trend, recessive disease because of small letter. Small is a recessive, dominant is capital is dominant. Now the heterozygous female, see heterozygous female means capital H, female means X and X. So capital H, small h, hence it is heterozygous female. This female having the disease, but she is carrier, not to her in her body. For hemophilic, many transfer the disease, may transfer the disease to son. Female having the disease in carrier form, she does not have any symptoms of any effect of this disease, only she is carrier. One capital H, one is small h. Capital is a normal and small is a disease one. So she is carrier to the next generation. See, the female hemophilic is very rare because it happen only when mother at least carrier, the father hemophilic available in later stage of his life. Like this it is there. So for understanding this, we have made a cross which is like this, hemophilic disease cross. See, affected male, it is affected because of small h. The female is normal because of capital H, capital H. Now when these two are mating and 4 types of offspring will formed, the normal daughter but carrier, one capital H, one capital H, another one is small h. So she is normal but carrier. Again the daughter, normal daughter but carrier. See, son is normal because x and y. See, capital H normal son. Here one more son, capital H normal son. Let me clear, this gene is does not associate with Y. It is only associated with X chromosome, does not on Y. Now this carrier female married with the normal man. Son-in-law is a normal here, male is a normal and female is carrier. See, capital H, small h is a carrier one. Then in their progeny it is like this: granddaughter normal, completely normal, capital H, she is normal. Granddaughter, one more granddaughter, normal but carrier because she has one small h, normal but carrier. Then grandson, see, capital H is there, so he is a normal son. Here grandson is affected, small h is there, affected. So this type of inheritance is known as crisscross inheritance. Grandfather to grandson, this father to her daughter to her son, like this. It is known as crisscross inheritance. So in examination, no need to draw this flow chart, this cross diagram. In examination, just to write on this 4-5 points only. Okay, thank you. Suppose you have any doubt, you can ask me and write the notes from by this observation. Thank you.